On a bright, sunny morning in Vancouver, cousins Sophie and Glenda bounced into the car like two excited bubbles. "Water park day!" cried Glenda. Sophie giggled and waved her sun hat. "I cannot wait for the giant splash bucket." Soon they arrived at a colorful water park full of twisting slides, dancing fountains, and children laughing everywhere. There were rainbow slides, floating tubes, splash pads, and a lazy river shining in the sunshine. "Wow!" Sophie gasped. As the cousins hurried to change, Sophie noticed that the other children wore all kinds of swim clothes. Some had long-sleeved swim shirts, some wore shorts, some had full swimsuits, and some had hats and cover-ups. Sophie looked puzzled. "Glenda, why do people wear different things?" Glenda smiled kindly. "Because everyone feels comfortable in different ways." Just then Auntie Elena arrived with sunscreen and towels. "That is right," she said warmly. "Modesty means choosing clothes that help us feel comfortable, respectful, and confident while enjoying ourselves." Sophie tilted her head. "So modesty is not about being boring?" Auntie Elena laughed. "Not at all. You can still have lots of fun while dressing in a way that feels right for you." The cousins hurried towards the tallest slide in the park, the Thunder Splash Twister. "Ready?" shouted Glenda. "Ready," Sophie squealed. Whoosh! They zoomed through spinning tunnels and splashed into the cool pool below. "Again! Again!" they laughed. After that, they joined a game of water basketball with new friends from different places. Hannah wore a bright swim dress with flower patterns. Leo wore a rash guard shirt and shorts. Another child wore a full-body sun suit to protect their skin from the hot sun. Nobody teased anyone. Nobody laughed at anyone's clothes. Instead, they cheered for giant splashes and funny cannonballs. Later, while eating watermelon slices near the wave pool, Sophie smiled thoughtfully. "I think I understand modesty now," she said. Glenda nodded. "It means respecting yourself and respecting others," Sophie continued. "And letting everyone feel comfortable." Auntie Elena gave them both a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.